Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing good. So, today I plan to go to the gym, but I still feel kind of sluggish, so I'll do my arm workout at home because I have dumbbells at home. And yeah, just to let you know what my goals are and my current body composition, I'm trying to lose more body fat on my stomach, on my back, but also on my arms. So I'm gonna turn this camera for you guys so you see. So I have a little bit of love handles on the side that I'm trying to lose and to tone up, and also just my stomach area I'm trying to tone up. It's not that I'm in a horrible shape, but I'm just trying to tone everything up. And yeah, that's just my goals, my fitness goals. And yeah, you can see my workout in a bit. Sure.
One I beg you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the boat, I no be, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all depend. They catch it, ride the boat, I no be. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot, I no fit.
Hi guys, today is just one of them days. I feel so down and defeated. I don't know if it's the weather or what, but it's been snowing the whole day. I'm so tired, even though I slept a good amount of I had a good amount of sleep, so I don't really understand. I'm just so down. And even I'm trying to edit another video, that 2025 resolution video, and it's not really working how I was expecting it to work. I don't have enough space on my laptop. I've tried it with to upload the file on my laptop with an SD card. That didn't work. And I accidentally deleted the file out of my SD card, so I wasn't able to re-upload the file onto the SD card, which was weird, but it is how it is. And now I had to upload it on YouTube, just raw, the raw version. And I also filmed it in the wrong format. So yeah, but that's it. I'm not stressing it. I will just upload it as it is and try my best for the next one, for this one, for a vlog. So yeah, do you guys know the feeling when just those days where nothing works, just nothing works how it's supposed to work? But yeah, we move. I will sleep for like 3 hours, and mind you, I'm normally not a nap girl. I never nap, so I don't even know what's going on. But I'm about to do my dinner. I'm eating keto currently because, as I told you guys, I'm trying to lose some weight. So I'm boiling eggs right now. This is how they look. And yeah, I'm gonna do some lettuce wraps. I have some steak left that I will use, but also some avocado. You go avocado, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go I follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? As I promised, this is the finished look. My lettuce wraps with steak, eggs, tomatoes, cilantro, avocado, and cottage cheese. Yeah, and I will enjoy them now. This looks so delicious. Oh my gosh.